life's too short to get it all right. First time around, you better not fuck up. Wanna be born again, I want a second chance.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back. So showing you guys how I do my little double buns or whatever. I'm not gonna lie, I'm using old tracks. They're kind of nappy-ish, which is good for my opinion because my hair is kind of nappy-ish or whatever. So I mean, it's still kind of good hair, but it's just on the verge of like, you don't really want this in your head type stuff. So that's why I use them for buns. If you got long enough hair, you can use your real hair. My hair personally isn't that long. This is how, if I kind of show you guys, I cut my hair, so my hair is only like this long. It's not long at all. What you're gonna need is a fine tooth comb. I like to personally use this one because how skinny it is, but you can use this one as well. I just feel like this gets you a better part. You're gonna need you some gel. I'm using Pro or whatever. Some bow ties, and you're gonna need some rubber bands and also some bobby pins. The first thing first is you want to make sure that your hair is washed because this is like a really sleek hairstyle. I don't know what kind of texture my hair is, so just use whatever holds your hair. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and part your hair down the middle. So what I do, I kind of part it and I kind of look at myself. Well, normally in the bathroom I have two mirrors, so I kind of look at both mirrors to make sure that it's not crooked.
'Cause this time around,
so take your time with making sure that your part is as straight as can be. If you need help, ask for help, you know. I like to use a paddle brush, and this just helps me easily brush my hair up or whatever. I feel like this is low-key the hardest part for me personally. I don't really know how to do hair. It's just making sure that my regular natural hair is even and as high as I want it to be. You're gonna start pulling your hair up. I guess I like to align it with my ear, I guess, because this is a tutorial. I feel like the only thing I can tell you guys is just like watch me and then you guys do it, but I'm trying to also make it informative. I'm gonna be taking my gel. I'm gonna use quite a bit because you want it super slick and you want to get some in the part area. Once I lay the gel, I'm gonna go ahead and comb it through my hair. So now I'm going to be taking a brush that I stole from somebody, you know. I hate when people engrave their name in the back of the brush. So stupid. So you want to make sure that you want to keep your part super straight. So I'm going to take it first and just brush my part. And then I'm just going to go ahead and start brushing my hair up. I don't know so much about the back. The back to me, it matters, but I mean... like that. Don't worry about your edges just yet. You'll kind of get your edges last. Just worry about if that's where you want it. It's time to do it for the next one.
Oh, you better not fuck up. Been through enough fire. I've heard all your lies. But this time around, I'm gonna give it all up. 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 I'm gonna give it all up. 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 I'm gonna give it all up. Give it all up.
As you guys can see, the first time around, this one, I kind of like this one better because it's just kind of more a little bit spread out. So I'm actually going to redo this one. So that's the only thing that kind of takes time with these, is just getting your buns even or how you want them. So the hair is like this. So what I do is I just kind of take the hair. This is like old hair and it's kind of nappy. You see? I feel like it makes good ponytail hair because I'm bald headed. So if you want, you can rock your hair like this. I personally wouldn't mind rocking it like this, but the tutorial is how to add this nappy ass weave. I just take it and I don't know. It's kind of self-explanatory. You just kind of wrap the hair. Give it all up, give it all up, give it all up, give it all up, give it all up. is where it comes in for your rubber bands and bobby pins. Try to position it to like where it's kind of how I want it. So you want to take your gel and just kind of play with your edges on how you like them. So this is how I did my bun. I went ahead and changed into my outfit or whatever. So yeah, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. So yeah, if you guys like this video, go ahead and subscribe and let me know what other videos that you guys would like to see. And other than that, I'll catch you guys in my next video.